Good morning, my dear students. बच्चे, as you know that in previous part I have given you 4 questions for homework. That is your question number 7, 8 and 9 and 10. And बच्चे, question number 11, question number 12 and question number 13 are also of the similar kind. So you can do these all questions. That is question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These you have to do from your side. And if any question, any problem you will have, you will inform me, and then I will provide you the necessary solution regarding that questions. So बच्चे, now I am going to explain you the question number 14. In this बच्चे, fx is defined as 3 if the interval is this, and it is defined as 4 if the interval is this, and it is defined as 5 if the interval is this. Now बच्चे, as I have already told you, first of all we always have to find the points where we have to check the continuity. So according to the questions, I got 5 things. I got 5 things where to check the continuity. The first one is this, then is this, that is x is greater than 1 and less than 3. Then is बच्चे x is greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to 10. And then बच्चे at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So I am taking the first case. As in this, all the values are like a constant variable. So what we can write, in interval this, fx value is 3. So f is continuous in this interval. Beta, any function is only just a constant number, so it will not affect it at large. So we can directly say that these are equal. In the similar way, I will say in the interval this fx is value is 4 and f is continuous in this interval. And then बच्चे in interval this fx value is 5 and I would say fx is continuous in this interval. So from my side, at these 3 different points, 0 less than x, then this beta, in these 3 it is all continuous. Clear? Now बच्चे, your fourth part, at x is equal to 1, when I am calculating LHL, that is left hand limit x tends to 1 negative of fx, what value I will get? 3. How 3? When is x is less than 1, x is less than 1 बच्चे, at that time the function value is this 3. Clear? And in RHL, limit fx x tends to 1 positive, means when x is greater than 1, then बच्चे this is our function which we will take, and that's value is 4. So here it is observed that these two are not same. Here LHL not equal to RHL. So what I can write? Function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. What I will write? Function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Now बच्चे, this is your fifth case where what we have to do, at x is equal to 3, LHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 negative f of x In the same way, approaching towards x less than 3, the function is this 5. No, at x less than 3. Clear बच्चे? And RHL, limit x tends to fx, that is x is greater than the value is 5. Sorry बच्चे, it is for greater than it is 5 and for less than it is 4. See, less than symbol is here, by mistake that was been done, so it is 4. So again we have got two different values, and we will be concluding that here LHL is not equal to RHL, so f is discontinuous at x is equal to 3. So regarding this question, what we can say, at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to 3, the function is discontinuous. The function is discontinuous. Now move to next question, that is question number 15. F of x, when x is less than 0 it is defined as 2x. When x lies in this interval it is defined as 0, and when x is greater than 1 it is defined as 4x. So as we have done till now in so many kind of question, first of all we have to check the continuity at x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x less than 0, x greater than 1, and at this interval. Clear बच्चे? So let's start from first case, that is at x is equal to 1. LHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 negative. The function is as 2x because less than symbol is there and function is defined as 2x and the value is 0. RHL बच्चे, limit x 0 positive, and here बच्चे when x is greater than value is 0, so directly 0. Now you find f0 value. What will be the f0 value? It will be equal to in this interval and value over here is 0. So these three are same. These three are now same, and we can write as LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 0. F is continuous at x is equal to 0. Clear? Now in case 2, I am taking x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. LHL limit fx, x tends to 1 negative. Limit of x tends to 1 negative. 1 negative beta, x less than 1 is over here, so it is 0. Then in RHL, 1 is greater than x, 1 is greater than x, then I will take 4x. So if I am taking 4x and I am putting this value, I will get 4. In this case, these two are not same. Sorry. In this case, these two are not same, and f1 value is again 1. So LHL is equal to f1 but not equal to RHL. So I have to write down that f is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Clear? Then is बच्चे your case 3. In case 3, when x is less than 0, f of x is equal to 2x, being a polynomial, is continuous at all points x less than 0. As it is a polynomial, so it will always be continuous at all the points x less than 0. In the same way, when x is greater than 1, fx is again a polynomial. So being a polynomial, it will also be continuous at all the points. And then बच्चे, when we are taking this, it is like a constant value. So it will be continuous except for the point x is equal to 1. Except for the point x is equal to 1. Therefore in this question the point of discontinuity is only and only x is equal to 1. Hope bache this question is also been clear to you. Now I am moving to my next question, that is question number 16. In this question bache, it is a very small type of question. You see over here, when x is less than equal to -1, it is defined as -2. When x lies in this interval, it is defined as 2x. And when x is greater than 1, it is defined as 2. So from the question you can observe that we have to check continuity at 2 points. X is equal to -1 and x is equal to 1. As I am taking case 1, x is equal to -1, limit x tends to -1 negative fx is beta when -1 is less than that time function is only -2. Clear? And if I am finding out value of f -1, the symbol is again over here, then again the value will be -2. And in RHL, limit x tends to -1, 1 positive, your fx will be limit x tends to -1 positive, that is 2x, that is 2x. And in this 2x, when I put the value of -1, what I will get? -2. So bache, while observing this, you feel that this value and this value all are same. So what I can write, LHL is equal to f of -1 then of RHL. So f is continuous at x is equal to -1. Clear? In case 2, LHL, that is one negative function of x, fx will be bache, x is less than, so it will be defined as 2x. In 2x, when I put 1, I will get 2. f1 value will be again 2x, that answer will be 2. And in RHL, x is 1 positive. When x is greater than 1, we will use this criteria. And over here the value is 2, so I will write down here 2. Finally bache, I will read the conclusion that as LHL is equal to f1 is equal to RHL, so f is continuous at x is equal to 1. I hope bache this has also been clear to you. Now I am moving to my next question, that is question number 17. Question number 17. In this question number 17 bache, this is a different kind of question now. In this, it is already been given that your function is continuous. It is given your function is continuous at x is equal to 3. Means your left hand limit, your right hand limit and your function value all are same. But you have to find out the value of unknown variables, that is a and p. Clear bache? Now just have a look here. At x is equal to 3, limit x tends to 3 negative of fx, limit x tends to 3 negative, that is ax plus 1, it will give a into 3 plus 1, that is 3a plus 1. Clear bache? And over here is RHL, that is limit of fx, x tends to 3 positive, limit x tends to 3 positive, value is beta bx plus 3 because it is greater. Here it is less, so I have taken ax plus 1. Here it is greater, I have taken bx plus 3. So when I will put value here of 3 in place of x, what I will get? b plus 3, that is 3b plus 1, 3b plus 3 and here 3a plus 1. as we know, this is very important thing, as we know that it is continuous at 3, so LH will be equal to RHL, there is no doubt because it is continuous. So बच्चे 3a plus 1 will be equal to 3b plus 3, that is 3a minus 3b is equal to 3 minus 1, and finally we will get after the solution a is equal to b plus 2 by 3, a is equal to b plus 2 by 3. So बच्चे what finally I have written over here, see, check it out. For any arbitrary value of b, we can find the value of a corresponding to the value of b. हम जितनी भी इसकी वैल्यू रखेंगे b की, उतनी a की वैल्यू आती जाएंगी. Thus we lead to a conclusion that there are infinitely many values of a and b. What I am concluding? There are infinitely many values of a and b. Clear बच्चे? So this is a different type of question, and it can be a type important question also. So you have to go through it very nicely in a better way. Clear बच्चे? Now I am moving to next question, that is your question number 18 and the last question for today's class, because we have done almost 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 5 questions are much more than enough questions. So it is there बच्चे. Now just do it fastly. For what value of lambda is the function of fx is equal to lambda x square minus 2x if x less than 0, 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0, continuous at x is equal to 0. What about continuity at x is equal to 1? बच्चे LHL is equal to limit fx x tends to 0 negative, that is limit of x negative. Where बच्चा negative? In this. So I have used this function lambda of x square minus 2x, and when I will put values, but I will get final answer, that is 0. In case of RHL, limit 0 positive, x is greater means approaching more than 0. So बच्चे it is 4x plus 1. I have written over here 4x plus 1. When I have put value 0, I have got 1. And f0 value again is your 0. So you can observe that 0, 1 and 0, they all are not same. So what we are concluding? LHL is equal to f0, not equal to RHL. It means f is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Whatever the value lambda belongs to R में भी कोई भी वैल्यू वो ले ले, बट वो कॉन्टिन्यूअस नहीं होगा. Is it clear? It will not be continuous. वो चाहे कोई भी वैल्यू ले ले बच्चा, because we are getting answer 0 only. Now at x is equal to 1, limit of fx x tends to 1, that is equal to symbol we are approaching. Then बच्चे the function used will be 4x plus 1. Why? Where will be this value come? In this group or in this group? X greater than 1, x is equal to 1, but it will come in this group. So that's why I have used this function 4x plus 1. If I put the value 1 over here, what I will get? 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. So fx at x is equal to 1, the value is 5. Here these two are same. So what I have generalized, as limit x tends to fx is equal to f1, it means f is continuous at x is equal to 1. Clear बच्चे? So till now, including your homework, we have done exercise 5.1 till question number 18. Till question number 18. And tomorrow is your doubt class. Tomorrow we will discuss about your doubts and your few of the new concepts, maybe in your Zoom class. I'll tell you. So in beforehand I am telling you must be ready with your doubts till question number 18 बच्चे. If I am taking your Zoom class, then I will take your doubts and I will explain a new few questions to you. Clear बच्चे? Doubts I can take if I am taking Zoom class. So be ready. Clear बच्चे? You must be ready with your doubts till question number 18 and practice these questions. These are really confusing. So please try to clear your concept as bestly you can do from your part. Thank you and have a nice day.